2018 home opener was unlike any other in Monroe High athletics history. You could say it was a day 3 decades in the making.
Incredible. It's great to be able to just walk down the stairs and walk out onto the field. I told the guys just before practice, it's sometimes it's hard to believe as I'm coming in the morning and parking next to the field and then walking in and seeing the field there. It's surreal. Is this real? Is this a college campus? Is this Monroe? What's happening right now? And before I was here, I was at the Marshall campus. I spent 21 years of my life over there. So that was the best that I had ever had. So to come here, the cliche of going from the outhouse to the penthouse, I'm living that, so.
For the past 3 years, Monroe has been housed at the John Marshall High School building across the city, while renovations took place on the Alexander Street campus. But that's just the start of it. On September 8th, Monroe hosted a football game for the first time since 1988.
By Jason Muhammad are your Monroe Red Jackets.
The Red Jackets spent the entire preseason practicing at Marshall. They didn't get a chance to see their school and its new facilities until Monday, September 3rd, 2 days before classes started.
Stop right at the midfield, guys.
My coach, Coach Sacco, said Labor Day was work day, so we'd be here to work. So I told him, listen, we're going to have practice at 10. If you come at 9, I'll give you a tour of your new school. By 8:30, they were all here.
What was it like that day to run around on the field for the first time?
First time we had the first touch on the field, so it felt good. We got here at 9 early. We got a tour of the school. Then we had practice at 10, so it did feel good.
And head basketball coach Matt McCormick took us on a tour of the new facilities.
Ever since that, and this is all brand new here.
So this wall was not here?
No, it's not here. So now we're walking down into the new
The
part.
former gymnasium has now been renovated and made into a cafeteria. In addition to the school, houses the athletic facilities, a state-of-the-art weight room, team rooms, and a new gymnasium with a seating capacity for more than 1,000 fans.
It's been great because the students that have been athletes here have really never had a feeling of home like students at other schools. So we've always played off-site, and to have this beautiful football field now in the gym that we have now, the sense of identity, the sense of home, I think is infiltrated the building here. It's great.
The last time Monroe tried to host a home basketball game was 2009. Cramped baselines and limited seating prevented future contests. In the past, Matt McCormick and his Red Jackets spent the school day at Marshall, but couldn't practice there because of repairs needed for that gym. So they traveled across the city to School 33, where they also played their games.
Basketball-wise, it's going to elevate us kind of to another level because we have these great facilities. We can practice on a court now. It's the size of a court we would play on. Strength-wise, we have a great new weight room that's just going to help kids as well. But as far as being able to play home games and have that identity of being at home, it's something that we've never had. I don't even have a feeling for it because I don't know what it's like, but it's going to be great.
That feeling of home is something the Monroe student body has been looking for, and now they found it.
It's a blessing. Honestly, this is good. It's kind of a feeling I don't know how to explain because it's been a while since we've been here, but we've been together for a long time, so everybody come back and it's everything new. Feel good, honestly.
It feels good to be home. Back on the turf, ready for home game Saturday. Just prepare.
The locker room is so clean because it's theirs. One of the kids, probably shouldn't say this, but one of them just picked up a Band-Aid off the turf. They're like, we can't have this on our field, because it's a sense of pride and ownership that it definitely matters. It makes a difference. And so now, here we are on this, multi-million-dollar facility, this complex. Like I said, Drake's got a song, God's Plan. Absolutely, it's incredible.
From Monroe High School, this is Paul Gotham with the Vision High School Sports Beat.
Hey, this is it. This is it, fellas. We start the game off. This is it right here. Let's get it done. Let's go. Let's go.
How about 3? Do this our shit. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6.
Let's go.